Welcome back, all you chipsters. We're hanging out. Me and the dog today. What?
Boots really fit.
Those boots fit you.
Yes.
Good. We got a pair of shoes that fits her.
Dad,
Look at Miss Style here. What?
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing. I'm just, I gotta make an intro to this video because his dad don't know what he's doing making videos.
Oh.
So, today's video was a little juiced up because it was a little, I've had a really busy week. I had baseball games Wednesday, soccer games Thursday, event at school Friday. So work was a little wild and chaotic, and therefore I didn't get a whole lot of recording done. I didn't get a whole lot of explain done of what I was doing. So the V12, the 3412 is just running, it runs really nice. Chipper's chipping good, and we're trying to figure out a few things on that, getting that straightened out. And there's a couple issues we have, and I honestly haven't had time. This was the only day I've been on that chipper since it's been the new engine's been on there, and I was super busy. And I got there, started slashing, left, and just like the day was just chaotic. So I didn't have time to like get a camera out and explain what was going on. But it was the chipper runs great. We have some issues with it, and we're gonna have to make a video on some of the issues because they are really, and not with the engine. With the work we did to the chipper, if you remember, we worked on the flail and worked on some feed wheels and stuff like that. And we have some serious issues we gotta get straightened out. Like serious enough to where Moorbark better step up to the plate or we're gonna have some issues. So the flail's fine. The stuff we did to the flail's fine. The feed wheel teeth are just junk. So anyways, I wanted to make a video on that, but I honestly had to leave because I had to get to their school to do something at school. So we did that. And hopefully we can be back. And so many comments. Monday, I have to get a hold of the captain yet. And yeah, I got to run down there Monday, and we got to pick up that chipper and bring it home. I get a lot of comments because obviously he's talking about being there Monday. I just haven't texted him yet. Maybe I should do that today. Text him, see what time he's going to be down there. Meet him down in Sarnia, pick the chipper up, and bring that girl home. And then the work really starts to get that thing fired back up to where that should be. So, it's just like the chaos never stops, and it's going to be busy, busy, busy. And I didn't get on video. The Prentice slashers broke down. I didn't even get that on video. The grapple's out of it. That thing's all juiced up. Literally an hour after I left on Thursday, where the hoses connect to and all that, the seals, bearings, everything blew apart apparently. So that's the shop getting worked on. So they hooked up a Moorbark grapple and have it set up to go on the Prentice so that you can at least cut logs with it. And I didn't get time to go over to that crew. I literally drove right by it. I didn't have time to go in there and check it all out, but that'll be on there Monday. So that's broke down. I wish I'd have got a video of the slash of the Barco because that'd have been great because that thing, the saw works great on the Barco, the loader's slow. And the loader's great on the Prentice and the saw is slow. So, anyways, hopefully I'll enjoy the video. Just some clips of the thing chipping. I wish I would have got more, but again, I pull in there and they started hammering me with logs. So I didn't get to, I was busy. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing and hitting the like button. You guys just keep rolling, and here's little snippets of the video. What's going on you chipsters? baby.